these peanuts and soak it whole night. Okay, in water you have to soak these peanuts whole night, and the next day you have to boil it at least 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, after what is this? Coriander. Okay, and salt. Onion. Lemon. Okay, these ingredients we need to prepare peanut chaat. Tell me what is this?
Onion.
Boiled peanuts. Okay, for making this first we need one brick. Okay, and before you have big dishes, right? You have to take one big dish and you have to pour this boiled peanuts. Okay, you have to pour this boiled peanuts. Okay, after this what we have to do? What we have to add first? Yeah, we should. Salt. Salt. Who want to add salt? Okay, down your hands. Pinch of salt and this spoon of salt. Very good. Next. Add your hands to everywhere. Next, vanilla stir. Little bit. Okay, vanilla. You will prepare at home this. Okay. Add your hands to everyone. After adding salt, you have to mix it well. And then you have to add onions. Who will add? Add some onions. Give some big spoon. Add the spoon here. Anila. Wait. Don't use hand. Hold it properly. Okay. After adding this tomato and coriander, what we have to do? We have to mix. Okay. Very good. Now, next what we have to do? Send them out the extra. Okay. Peanuts, boiled peanuts. Already we added so many things. What we added? Tomato. Onion. What ingredient is that? What is that? Yeah. Shall we add the lemon juice? Come on, who wants to add? Now Annie is adding lemon juice. Okay, we do it. Please wait. Take it. How is the taste? Nice. You like it? You like it? Gayatri, you'll try it at home.